Okay, guys. This is my. I play this in level 4. You know it, bro. Bro, Ojang is only a Philippine. She's go here because she's annoying. No one cares about it. Bro. And I'm in 1v. I'm so slow. And that's why I get in 1v. No. I don't have 1v. So only 2v that I can. Bro.
Claim your
Okay, nice.
trophies, and you can get 3 trophies to get another one.
Yeah, I can do. Let's go!
Almost at age level 8.
English lang. Bro, and
What
you know,
did you say?
yeah, she's Bujang said
Are you Filipino?
Bujang said she's Philippines. She's annoying.
Ginaganya mo ako pag ikaw sinisiyak ka. Are you Filipino?
No, let's go! Need more. I think I'm fast enough. Oh, it's not faster.
Jeno.
Oh, I need to go, bro.
Can you help me?
What is your level?
Bro, wait. Ilan ako kay
I am level 6.
This is level. Level 17. Let me see.
I am level 6.
I passed it, bro. Bro, you are only level 17. I'm level 9.
You?
Lapit mag-9.
You?
Ay, 8 naman. Kuya ka. Uy, second. No.
Let's go.
Ayoko pala.
Bro, I'm dead. More. Oh, I leveled this really faster. That ballerina.
Okay lang yun. May event. Basta may kasama. Or babae. Basta kayo.
We have event now.
Basta dito lang. Okay lang.
But only April 26.
Yeah, meron.
Only April 26.
Tara, notify.
Bro.
Ba't nakuha ako ulit? Lapit na sa'yo. Patay.
Bomba ka.
Patay. Sa para. You die, patay.
Kevins.
Ilan wins mo? Ano? Ano na? 11. Pero na-extend ko. Kaya, wag na lang. Pwede na.
Okay. Are you sure?
Ano
Okay.
na-spend? Wala naman ditong 11.